It's like a Picasso painting. He's in the lead. He takes the lead. And new leader. Ed Wiggity. Ed Wiggity.
Download the Helly Hansen Winter Duel app and we'll give you a USD team buff. And then once you have the app downloaded, if you open it up and run an activity, we have geocache locations hidden all over the mountain. When you get close to one, the app will notify you and you can win free stuff from Helly Hansen.
We are here at the Helly Hansen trailer in the village at Beaver Creek. Everything is 20% off. We have the Swift jacket, which is the uniforms of the volunteers, other great stuff, including Active Flow, and the same base layers that the US Ski Team wears. We are the official base layer of the US Ski Team.